So to begin with this crochet wig, I'm gonna take you guys through the things that you would need to start with. First of all, you will need a mannequin head. This is mine, and a mannequin stand, thread and a needle, my weaving net. I'll be using this type, the one with the mesh, and then the smooth one. I'll use both. My closure net, this one matches my scalp color. This is it. Latch hook or crochet hook, and then the hair I'll be using today. This is the color of the hair, guys. It's tomatoes red or something. This is how the hair looks like, guys. I can't show you the packaging of this hair because I'm not trying to do advert for any company, okay? I buy my products with my money and I don't want to be making advert for any company. So I'm not showing the pack yet. If you want to do the same style, you can get any braiding hair at all. Any braiding hair, but you have to get some that you can flat iron, not too high, but pretty much any braiding hair can do this crochet style, okay? Sorry guys, but I can't show it to you. So to begin, I'm stretching out the net that I'll be using. I do this in order to stretch out the net so that it can fit properly on my head. So for both nets, I repeat the same process. Now once I'm done, I'm going to cut the net as tiny as possible because I can't crochet it like when it's big. So I'm sizing it to make it smaller so that crocheting it will be much easier. So here, as you can see, I'm placing it on the mannequin head, attaching it to the net, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sew that piece down before I start crocheting the rest of the hair. And this is how your cap should look once you're done sewing down the lace closure. Now moving on to the hair, I'm gonna divide my hair into 4 sections because I'm doing a blunt hair, so I don't want it too long. This hair is very long, it's like 82 inches, so I'm dividing it into 4. Yes, first I cut it into 2, and then the other half I splitted it. No, I cut it into 2 also, so in all I had 4 separate hair. And then of course you can't work with a blunt edge, so I'm gonna go ahead and stretch the hair out before I start using it. So once you're done stretching out the hair, you should get something like this. This looks so nice. To do crochet is quite easy and simple. All you need to do is slide your crochet hook through your net, attach your hair, close the latch, and then pull it through. If you are doing it on your head, you will slide the latch through your braids or cornrows, attach the hair and pull it through. Using this type of net is way easier to do the crochet wig cap because you know the net you are pulling the hair through. So for this tutorial, I picked about 2 or 3 holes and then I attach the hair and close it. And the hair is so good and nice to the extent that you don't have to tie it a couple more times. Just a single tie or knot, you're good to go. So I've made progress so far. I kept repeating the same process all over again till I get to the top. Once I get to the net side, I'll show you how I do that one also. I had to zoom in this side for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. If you still don't get it, let me know. I'll film another tutorial and show you an in-depth tutorial, okay? Maybe that one will be much slower than this one because I have a lot of footage to edit. I had to fast forward this side in order to get all the tutorial, like all the footages I have in one video, okay? So bear with me. If this is still not clear with you, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make sure to do another video for you guys, okay? So for this one, as you can see, I've switched crochet hooks. Yes, this one had the tiny how do you call it, latch, so it's easier to penetrate into the net that I'm using because the net had tiny holes. It's the same process here. I slashed this tiny hook into 2 holes or even a single hole. I wasn't really counting, guys. Attach the hair, and this time around you are not picking much hair. As you can see, we're not picking much hair. Small as you go, just be picking it small. You can even count it 4 or 5. I wasn't counting mine because I was so lazy. So but just don't pick a lot of hair because it won't pass through the net, okay? Pick it small, and that's it. We are done. Once you're done, you should get your weave looking this beautiful and gorgeous. Even though it's Kanekalon hair, like no one can tell unless you tell them. So moving on, I'm going to straighten this hair to make it more natural, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to the blonde style that I want. You have to make sure that your flat iron or your straightener is not too hot because this hair is not virgin hair or human hair, so it's gonna melt down. My flat iron was in the lowest setting and I was using it on and off. Yes. Once you're done straightening it, this is how you should get it. You can even wear it like that, but before the look I'm going for, I wanted a blunt look, so I went ahead to cut it down. At this point, I was just feeling the hair because it really came out nice and I didn't really expect it. So I went to straighten the edges, the ends, so it can bob and look more natural. And that's basically it, guys. We're done with our $2 crochet wig cap. It looks kind of expensive though, like looking at it in the video, it looks kind of expensive, but girl, we used just $2 for this style. So that'll be it for this tutorial, guys. Let me know if you guys loved it and you want to see more tutorials. Until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful.